Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some more products that were sent to me by Beauty Big Bang. You all know how much I love Beauty Big Bang products. The quality is just spot on. So I've got some stamping plates, but before I hop into that, I've got these like 3D stickers. They're so pretty. That pink and silver is just so pretty. Love, love, love that. So I will be using all of this stuff and manicures coming up very soon. And I also got some more nail foils. Look at that. It looks like those like drip paintings or, you know, like acrylic pours and stuff. So into that. So all of these did come in beautiful sleeves with the instructions on the back. And we're just going to hop right on into it. I'm going to do them in order. I got Beauty Big Bang XL035 through 039. So let's just see what we got. They've got the nice backing on the back with their logo. And here we go. Okay, we're going to have to do something about these lights. Hang on. Alright, so I don't know that that lighting's perfect, but at least it's not glaring. I love that there's all these French tip designs over on the side. Let y'all get a peek at them. Very nice. And then they've got, you know, some more bigger images so you could mix and match if you wanted to. Like do some of these big images on your accent nails. And then some more French tip designs. Beautiful plate. Love, love, love that. And here we go with 36. More lacy images. I really like that one. Ugh. Already got images speaking to me. I like that one too. Who am I kidding? I like all of them. Okay, so that is 36. And I will be using these very soon. I'm going to sit right on my desk so I can play with them and show you actual manis with them. And here we go with plate number 37. More lacy, beautiful designs. So in love. Okay, now these I like. They're just lines. You can put them across the middle of your nail, down the side. You can use them kind of for French tips. Very cool. Very nice. Oh yeah. Love all the roses and lace and oh, digging it. So that's 37. And then plate number 38. Get it turned around right. Okay, now this is not lacy. This is more like the wood, tree wood. And then just different, like, I'm going to call them organic images and flowers. Very, very cool. I'm so liking that. Now that one's really cool. Oh yeah, I like that kind of wisping. Yes. Alrighty. And for the last plate, this one is 39. And it's got just some like distressed looking stuff right here. Oh, I like that they've mixed it up. It's just really, really nice when you've got a plate like that. I really love that. Very, very cool. Alrighty. So there we go. Another distressed looking one. I love stuff like that. Because you could like double stamp with different colors and stuff and just go crazy with it. Or put this with that one. Put those two together. Do that one on the bottom and that one on top or something. Yes, please. Okay. So that is my little unboxing, I guess, kind of thing for Beauty Big Bang this go around. So it's kind of like a sneak peek into future coming manis. Because I will be playing with all of these goodies. So I will leave a link for Beauty Big Bang down below. If you go on there and purchase anything, you can get 10% off your order using pack 285. That's my code for 10% off. And I don't get paid by Beauty Big Bang. I do get samples to review on my channel from time to time, but I don't actually get paid anything from them. So that discount code is not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a discount code. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.